Hello there guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to find WhatsApp number. Firstly, in the first case, I'm gonna show you how to find your WhatsApp number is by selecting on your three dots, and then you need to go on the settings side and selecting your first side by tapping on your profile photo. Now when you're on your profile section, you need here to see the last section or the third section, that is for phone number. On the phone number here, it will be available your phone number which is related to your WhatsApp account. Now get back, and now I'm gonna show you how to find a WhatsApp number from a friend that is on your account. For example, we'll go with this friend. Now you need to go and tap on his name on your upper side, and here it is, his phone number, as you can see below his name. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon.